So we have the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro here, the best Galaxy Buds to be made by Samsung. It's really good. I've tried it out, and yes, I can say it's really good. The sound quality is good. The it fits well in your ears. The active noise cancelling works well with the right ear tips, because when I use the bigger ear tips for my small ears, I could still hear some noise around me. But with the smaller ear tip, it was pretty good. Like, I couldn't hear any noise. It was just me and the music. So I'll say, yeah, for the active noise cancellation and the sound quality, it works well. The fit is also good. The touch controls also work pretty well. The the pinch, the pinch and control sounds, the voice control, they are also working pretty well. Yeah, so I will encourage you all to trade in or purchase these Galaxy Buds. They are the best out there. This is really good. And thank you to Samsung for bringing this out. These are the really good Galaxy Buds you can get out there. I'm actually recording this with my Galaxy Buds and with my